Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your Minirig Bluetooth speaker. First, make sure your Minirig is charged. Then, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds until you see the blue light flash. This light indicates that your Minirig is now powered on and ready to begin the pairing process. It's a simple first step to getting your music playing. Next, grab your phone or other audio device. Go into its settings menu and find the Bluetooth option. Make sure Bluetooth is switched on. Your device will now start scanning for available Bluetooth speakers in the area. This step is crucial for your device to detect the Minirig and establish a connection. Once your device is scanning, you should see Minirig appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Simply tap on Minirig to select it. Your device will then attempt to pair. You'll know it's connected when the blue light on your Minirig stops flashing and stays solid. This confirms a successful link. Now that your Minirig is connected, you're all set to enjoy your audio. Open your favorite music streaming app or podcast player. Start playing your chosen content, and the sound will come through your Minirig. Remember to adjust the volume on both your device and the speaker for the best listening experience. Enjoy your tunes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.